Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to change your name in the Snapchat app using your Android phone. If you've recently updated your profile or just want a new display name, follow along with these simple steps to update it in less than a minute. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. After that, find and tap on the option labeled Name. Now, delete your old name and enter your new name in the provided field. Finally, scroll down and tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen. That's it. Your new name will now appear on your Snapchat profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more quick tech guides. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need more help.